What's up, y'all? So in this video I'm gonna take a 2012 Leonardo figure and I'm gonna paint it to look like, I'm gonna paint all of them, all of the four of the turtles, but this video is Leonardo, but I'm gonna make it look like he's in a black and white comic book. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. Well, that's what I'm doing already. Yeah, as you can see. But I mixed some white acrylic primer with some cheap white acrylic from the dollar store, and I'm just doing thin layers because I want to keep all the details for when I add the black. Well, that's the first coat. Now I'm mixing the cheap acrylic with more medium bodied acrylic. I'm doing a second layer of white, trying to get rid of the green. I mean, I love the green, but this is going to be a black and white figure, so no, the different type of green. Oh, now I'm on to the next layer. I'm letting it dry in between, but I don't show that. I already put enough of this footage in. But this is a titanium white. We all love some titanium white. Closer, better view. I mean, it looks dope just white like that. I like it, but that's not much fun. So this is a medium gloss polymer. It's an acrylic clear coat, medium gloss. Putting that on before I add the black so that it doesn't bleed in with the white. So I'm making a black wash now. I'm using some cheap black acrylic and water. Testing it. This is the back of the backpack. You won't see it. So I'm using it as a test piece, but first it was too thick. Now it's too thin. A little more paint. Stir it up. Alright, I got it good now. That's how I like it. So I'm gonna continue to cover and then remove black wash from the whole figure. Making sure to get deep in all the cracks and crevices. I want to really dirty up his feet the most, because I think that's where he would get it dirty the most, because the ground is dirty. Now really getting in all those details. I have to leave that to, well, more details. So it's starting to come out. Now I let that dry. I'm dry brushing some white over top to try and pick up more details. So I don't want any white to get into the cracks. I just want to lightly dust it over the top, raised area. Alright, now I'm getting in those eyeballs so they're nice and bright white. So the dry brushing didn't give me enough definition, or not as much as I wanted. So now I'm going in and carefully painting more titanium white over top of the raised areas. Yeah, he's starting to look like he's on a piece of paper. Pencil drawn still at this point. Okay, that's Battleship Gray mixed with some black. Because as I was looking at him, I decided I have to paint something black, and that's going to be the mask. But I don't want it to be full black because the wash isn't that dark. Oh, I just put on some glasses for my glasses because I have really bad eyes, and this helps me see those details much better. I just got it. I don't know how I saw anything, but I didn't see anything without it. I just thought I got the details because I couldn't see my mistakes because my eyes were so bad, or are so bad. But yeah, that's really making everything pop out more. But then once I saw that, it looks like their eyes are closed, so I have to put some eyeballs, which is the hardest part. Well, no, I mean pupils. He already has eyeballs. Now I'm putting a final coat of that medium gloss, and then she should be done. Well, I mean he should be done. Sweet. Oh, I was using a camel hair brush because they're soft and they don't leave any streaks, but all the hair was falling off, so I had to change brushes. This is a slideshow of the finished product. Oh, I painted the weapons. That should be in the next video where I paint Mikey. Next week. Later. Oh, how do I stop this?